I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You're signed in and ready. First, open Seller Central and go directly to Inventory Manage Inventory. Search by SKU or ASIN to pull up the exact product. Once found, verify you have brand registry or edit permissions so changes save cleanly. Make sure the listing is active, not suppressed, and note whether it's a parent or child ASIN. Now that you have the SKU loaded, prepare the specific fields you'll change: title, images, variations, or price so you don't lose focus. You're in the Edit screen. Choose the correct tab for the change you need. For text fields, update title and bullets with keyword and compliance guidelines. For images, upload 1000 times 1000 or larger files to enable zoom. If changing variations, edit parent-child relationships carefully and save each child's SKU individually. For GTIN or brand changes, use the More Details tab and add exemption codes if applicable. Once edits are ready, click Save and watch for immediate warnings so you can correct them before submitting. Save your changes and then monitor the listing. Allow 15 to 30 minutes for updates to appear on the storefront and caches to refresh. Make sure to check listing quality and the suppressed listings report for errors, and confirm by box and pricing are correct. If something goes wrong, prioritize the error message: missing GTIN, invalid image, or category mismatch. As a key troubleshooting tip, always download the flat file template for that category and validate edits offline before
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.